If you have been a good little homeowner, you've owned your house for years, you've had the same policy, you've not filed any claims, you now get your policy premium renewal and you're shocked to find out that your rate has gone up. Well, here in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about why your rate has gone up and what you can do to lower it. So stay tuned. Normally, the amount that you pay in premiums is tied into your home, the age of your home, and your insurance score. So any of these three factors would affect the rate that you pay for your insurance premium. Those factors you can control, but here are some other reasons why your policy premium increase is totally out of your control. Number one, a large amount of company claims. Anytime an insurance carrier suffers a record number of claims, they have to pass on that cost to any policy holder. So that could be a reason why your claims have gone up. Number two, construction costs have skyrocketed. So blame it on supply chain shortages, blame it on labor shortages, blame it on the pandemic. All those reasons have contributed to why construction costs have gone up. But then you're asking me, well, Holly, I'm not building a new house. But you have to understand that when you have a disaster, your home is destroyed and you have to rebuild your house, those are tied into what we call replacement costs on your policy. So anytime there's an increase in construction costs, those factors contribute to how much your carrier determines that your house would cost if it had to be rebuilt. Number three, your home is older and due for upgrades. Even if you've had your policy for years and years, your carrier may decide to perform an inspection on your property. So the most likely look at just at the exterior. So they're looking at your roof, the exterior, your foundation. If any of those items need attention, they would give you 30 days to remedy those defects, or they would increase your premium. Number four, your insurance score went down. Even if you didn't know you had a score, you do. So your score is tied into your credit score, your claim history, and the safety features of your home. So if any of those factors have changed, your premium will be adjusted accordingly. Number five, and here's one that may be a shocker. If your neighborhood or your neighbors have filed a large amount of claims, you are going to pay the price. So if you had a big natural disaster in your area or your neighbors have filed an unusual amount of roof claims or damage claims, your policy will be affected as well. Number six, so the kids wanted that trampoline, or they want a pool, or they want that pet dog, and I bet you didn't know that any of those three things could cause your premium to be increased. So those increase what's called the risk factor on your policy, and any of those things would cause your carrier to raise your premium. Number seven, and the final reason, your insurance company can increase your premium just because it can. Call it inflation or call it a trend, or just because the stockholders want to see a profit on their investment, your insurance company could raise the rate on you. So what can you do if your rate has gone up? Well, the first thing I would do is call your insurance carrier and ask them why. They're required to notify you if your policy premium has increased. They may be nice enough to give you some reasons that you could have your premium reduced. The first thing to do is look at your declaration page on your policy, and you'll notice a little section on there called a discount section. So if that page is empty, there are some things that you can do to add to that and lower your premium. Your first discount is your multi-policy discount. So if you add your life insurance, your car insurance, and your homeowner's insurance to the same carrier, you would be getting a multi-policy discount. The second one, a claim-free discount. So most policy carriers will give you a discount if you go a long period of time without filing any claims. Protective services discount. So this comes into play if you have deadbolts, if you have fire extinguishers, if you have services that connect your house with the police and fire department, you will get a discount for those features. The next discount is a first-time buyer's discount. So if you are a first-time buyer, you may get a first-time buyer discount. The next one is your senior citizen discount. If you are 55 and over, some carriers will give you a discount. I guess they figure you'll take care of your home a little bit better than someone that's not over 55. Long-term policy discounts. So this means if you've been a policy holder for a long period of time, some policy carriers will give you a 10% discount on your premium for being loyal to that company. The next discount is your deductibles. So if you're currently carrying a $500 to $1,000 deductible, you may want to look at increasing that deductible, because the higher your deductible, the lower your premiums. The next discount is if you remodel sections of your home, you upgrade the plumbing, you upgrade the electrical, you install storm shutters, any of those things that would add safety feature to your home, let your insurance company know. So they may reduce your premium by just letting them know about those additional safety features and upgrades. Finally, shop around. So it wouldn't hurt to ask other carriers what their premiums would be for your house. Just keep in mind that you're losing some of your longevity with your current carrier, and you could consider reshopping your home insurance every year just to make sure that you're getting the best available premium out there. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please be sure to check out our other videos on the GCH channel. And as always, love where you live and live where you love.